Alright, my peeps, what's up? What's up? How you guys doing? Welcome back to Carter Entertainment, where today I'll be unboxing this ear rifle and see if the scope is already on or if we have to put the scope on. So, if you haven't subscribed, subscribe now. Good time. Turn on the notification bell because we're going to be doing some hunting. We're going to be making sure the scope is on point. We're going to be doing all of that. All of that. And as you can see, the scope is not yet mounted. So we will have to mount the scope ourselves. This is a .177 caliber. And it's the break front, where you break it down to cock it. Oh yeah. This gonna be a beast. This gonna be a beast. Alright. Before we go ahead and break that, let's go ahead and check the scope out. See what kind of scope we got for it. Gonna be doing a little squirrel hunting before long, and I'll take you guys along with me on that as well. But yep, this is the scope. This is the scope, guys. And right here we have the attachments or the parts needed to mount the scope. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. So, we're going to get right into that right now. Alright? So, I see that we have the tools needed. So, we won't need to go get no tools. Everything is in the box. We got this little Allen wrench. And we got the parts. So, let's get right into that right away. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this apart and I'm going to mount the holder for the scope first. You don't want to put the scope in here first. It tends to make it a little off. And then you have to adjust all of that. So doing it this way, I can put this on first. So yeah, that's the plan. And this one goes to the back. You see that because it has a little knob right there. Any beginner, these are some good rifles to learn with. Learn your marksmanship. Yep. These are some good rifles. I recommend Crosman any day. And no, this is not a sponsorship video. So I'm not sponsored by Crosman. I just happen to love the product. And it is the one I'm gonna use. So I just chose to do a video on it, showing you guys what's going on. So we get that one down. So we know that's where it's gonna sit. And if you are not a pro, do not try this at home. If you are under the age of 21, make sure you have adult supervision if you're doing something like this. Okay, guys? Something is not right here. There we go. So, this is what I would do. Just put that part on first before I put the scope in it. So, I'm going to go ahead and put the other one on as well. Now for the other one, you don't want to make it too tight because you might have to adjust it up or down a little bit. That should be tight enough. Then you want to make sure you have your scope set the right way. Yep. Make sure you know where's the front, where's the back. See?